So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to refer a friend on the KOHO Financial application. So if you want to earn a little bit of passive income just by sharing a referral code with some buddies or whatever the case may be, maybe you have an audience, it's very straightforward. It doesn't matter which tab you're on. It could be the home tab, accounts tab, doesn't matter. In the top right beside the bell, there's sort of that present icon. Simply select that. On this page right here, it's going to say all rewards or your rewards history. So where it says refer a friend, get $30, you each get the cash reward when your friend signs up. Go ahead and press that option right here. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and share your referral code. So you can go ahead and copy it if you want. And you can also see the rewards earned. So right here it says you and your friend will each get a reward when they sign up, get verified, and spend $20 or more with their KOHO account. You can also just scroll down and you can get $30 cash this way. You can also view the terms and conditions. There's also some frequently asked questions at the bottom. But basically, copy this link, send it to people, and you guys can both benefit financially that way if you, of course, satisfy the terms and conditions. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to refer a friend on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.